Alright, here's a Sizzlers Groundhog collection. Here are the two that will require batteries. They're really, the plating is really nice on them. The motors are nice. Buckets, nothing broken. Here are the attachments. There's 6 attachments. All have their hooks. Nothing, no tabs broken. All in real nice shape. Original manual. Here are 2 extra front blades. An extra switch. Here's a parts dozer. Has a good chassis, has a good motor. Switch. It's going to need tracks and a blade. Here are the good dozers. Like I said, they all run. Just give you a real quick idea how they work. It's pretty cold out here. I'm out in the garage, so if they were warmer, they would move a little quicker. You can see the tracks run nice and true. There are no cuts in the tracks, no divots, no notches. That was just a little bit stiff, but the longer you let it run, the smoother. Especially if it was inside and in the warm, it would be smooth. This was a pretty awesome toy back in the day. So there you go, all together there are 6 running in what I consider to be perfect condition. 1 parts dozer, 2 blades, a switch, a manual, 6 attachments, and 2 dozers which are complete. They'll need a little more cleaning and 2 new batteries, but altogether there's 10 dozers, and I also have a juice pack for charging them up, and that's about it.